Yeah. So right now we have 477 people watching me live. So I hope by the end of this live stream we have over 1,000 people who are watching this live stream right there. All right. So today we're going to be talking about technical analysis and price prediction of Polygon. Okay, Polygon. Let me say Polygon analysis. Okay, Polygon analysis. All right, Polygon analysis. All right, so I can also say something like Matic because it's still the same thing. Okay, Matic is the same thing as Polygon. Matic analysis. All right, so these are things we'll be talking about today. All right, so I'm going to zoom in from here. I'm going to switch this back to daily candle. Okay, the 15-minute candle is quite noisy. Okay, it's quite noisy. So that's a big challenge right there. All right, it's quite noisy. So I'm going to switch back to a better candle. All right. So having switched to that, one of those things I'm going to be looking out for on the chart is the buy opportunity, the sell opportunity. These are things you'll be looking out for on the charts. Okay, on the charts. So if you look at the background of Polygon Matic, it's really been an awesome project, and it's one of the most respected layer, not even one of the most. Okay, right now, Polygon is the topmost, layer 2 solution on Ethereum. Okay, any other solution that comes around, they are actually like a copycat, or a slight improvement of Polygon Matic. All right. So they open the doors, the ways to layer 2 solutions. They are the prime mover. Okay, and it's going to be so hard to me. Okay, it's going to be so hard to take that crown away from them. All right, and if you notice something, several coins dumped massively during the last market crash. But to an extent, Matic has proven himself. It keeps proving himself over and over, All right. So you can see the chart right here, amazing chart structures, like one of the best chart structure in the crypto world, you can find it, on Matic chart. So if you look at this now, this is 200 moving average. Okay, 200 moving average is here. And if you've been paying attention to something, you see whenever the 200 moving average is crossed downward, okay, then we are in for a good bearish trend on Polygon Matic. Okay, and when it's able to cross it upward, okay, then we are in for a good run also. Okay, so you can see that at different part of the chart, and that looks exciting. But at this point in time, one of the reasons why I decided to analyze Polygon, okay, Polygon Matic right now, is because it is at a critical level. Okay, it's at a critical level. At this level here, it found a support on the moving average. We're talking about this point. It found a support here. Okay, it's also found a support here. All right, support here, and it is hovering around this point right now. Okay, around this point right now. So these are critical levels, okay, for Polygon Matic. The question in your mind now is, will it break it downward? Okay, will it break it downward, or will these levels, are they going to hold on the charts? Okay, are they going to hold on the charts? That is another question on your mind, isn't it? All right. But to be honest with you, okay, I don't see Polygon actually breaking through this line today. Okay, because it's been consistent deep, and it's kind of consolidating around this level. Okay, so if you switch this to 4 hours, it can actually give us a better perspective. Okay, on 4 hours, it has completely broken that level on 4 hours, isn't it? On 4 hours, but it has not been able to do that. Okay, it has not been able to do that, on the daily candle. All right. So, and what you see right here is a consistent bearish trend. Highly consistent bearish trend is exactly what you are saying here. Okay, like it's about time. Then you can see that because we zoom in on 4 hours, then we can see this rejection candle right here. Can you see it? There is a rejection candle right here. Okay, so this rejection candle right here is telling us something. Okay, it is telling us something that we need to pay attention to. Okay, so this candle is actually a rejection candle that is forming at the bottom of this bearish candle. For several hours now, more than 24 hours, it's been bearish. It closes below opening price. There's this week, that is even equal to or almost equal to half, or like this week now, right now, for instance, is more than the body of the candle. Yeah. And this one also, this week you're looking at, is almost half of the body of this candle. Okay. Then this week is like half of the body of this candle. And this week also is almost like half of the body of the candle. Okay. So that shows a a kind of violent, a kind of spontaneous reaction. Okay. A kind of violence between the bulls and the bears. Like all of these spikes demonstrating a high level of volatility. All right. Demonstrating a high level of volatility, isn't it? So, but come on, guys. When there is a dip, after a dip comes a pump, and after a pump comes dump. You should take note of these things. All right. So by zooming it in on 4 hours, and which is one of my favorite time frames, okay, by zooming it in on 4 hours, then you can see a level of exhaustion candle right here. And when that price was, when that, the bull actually tried to overpower the bears at this level. Like, no, come on, guys, enough is enough. That's a statement. Like, enough is enough. You can't keep pushing this price downward. You have to step in and take it upward a little bit. All right. That's exactly what they did with this green candle right here. Okay. They shut them off. Okay. They shut them off. Like, come on, guys. We have to drive this thing up a little bit more than this. Okay. And we're able to push this price up a little bit. All right. So, and the thing is that if you're actually a scalper, okay, probably you're scalping for quick profits. Let me give you an entry levels that might be something interesting to you. Okay, let me give you an entry level that you might be interested in. Okay, now look at the charts. All right, look at the charts. Okay, look at the charts. You can see that this is a major support level, isn't it? This is a major support level right here. Okay, let me draw the line. Okay, no, let me use an extended line here. Draw an extended line here. Okay, or let me use rectangle for that. Use a rectangle to demonstrate the major zones, the major support levels. All right, awesome, awesome, awesome. I like that. So before we're going to notice, before you're going to see Matic at probably 90 cents, okay, definitely, 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 okay, the bulls will push, they will push the price to this support level. Okay, then the whole support on 4 hours time frame, it now become the new resistance level. Okay, so it makes sense to open a long position here. Okay, while you place your stop loss slightly below this level. You place your stop loss around 0.98, then you put your take profit at 1.07. Okay, at 1.07. Price movement from from 1.02 to 1.07, it's about 4% price movement. So if you're using 5x leverage or 10x leverage, then that's a good profit for you. Okay, because you're a leverage trader, isn't it? So it makes sense because this actually closed as expected. When you see rejection candle, you wait for the close of the next candle to be sure of what, to be sure if, no, because the next candle that opens after rejection candle, it goes along to validate, that rejection candle. All right, it goes along. So if that candle should close bullish, okay, then that is a whole lot of opportunity for you to make some quick bucks right there. Okay, so on this time frame, okay, it's going to move like this. Sorry about that. It's going to move like this, something like this. Then it will be rejected at this level. All right, at this level. So this is an information for, this is the right information for scalpers, day traders. Okay, day traders. Okay, then you have your stop loss around there, around here. Have your stop loss around here. Sorry about that. Okay, you have your stop loss at this level. Okay, in case if this is rejected, okay, which is not feasible. Okay, but as a trader, as a smart trader, I know I did the live stream about intelligent trading. Okay, so you please go back to that video and watch it. So you place your stop loss, below the previous low. All right, below the previous low, you place your stop loss around here. Okay, then you open a long position right here. Okay, so that's it. And if you place your stop loss here, then definitely the the risk to reward ratio, it makes a couple of sense. Now let me show you. So let me show you what I mean by that. Let me measure this. Okay, if you place your trade here, at the current market price, then probably your stop loss hit at this level. Okay, that is minus 2.8%. Okay, 2.8%. All right, and at the same time, if the trade should actually go in your direction, so how much are you going to make from that? Okay, that's how much percent? Okay, around here, you take profit around here. Okay, that's 6.5%, right? Okay, that is more than 1:2. Okay, probably 1:2 point something, isn't it? Okay, so almost that's like almost 1:3 risk reward ratio, isn't it? So that's a good entry for you. Okay, this is a good entry. This is a good exit. Okay, so let me type this. Don't worry, guys. For those who are going to be investing in a Matic, I'm going to be giving you a good entry price also. Okay, so this is going to be your, so this is going to be my entry level. Okay, this is going to be my entry level on the charts. All right. Then I'm going to reduce this to probably 16. Okay, so it makes sense. Aha, it makes sense. So this is my entry level here. Okay, then let me clone this. Then exit, exited. This is going to be my exit level here. Okay, this is my exit level right here. All right. So then I have my stop loss. Let me clone this again. So I now have my stop loss here. So my stop loss is right here. Okay, so this is where I have my stop loss, just in case, isn't it? Yeah. So this is a decent risk reward ratio, honestly. Okay, this is a decent risk reward ratio. Let me clone this. So on this level, we will have a decent risk to reward ratio right there. Okay, because yeah, so that's the analysis for scalpers. Those who are going to be scalping Matic, Polygon Matic, and also for those who are going to be doing day trading Polygon Matic today. So this analysis is for you. Okay, and I hope that it's going to help you a whole lot. All right. So now let's move on from here. Let me check the live charts and see if you have any question for me, so I can attend to whatever question that you have. Yeah. Okay. Whatever question you have, I'm going to respond to that. Okay. Any questions so far, guys? Any questions so far? All right. So next thing I'm going to be doing here. Okay. Next thing I'm going to be doing here is that I'm going to zoom out of this. Then I'll go to the daily time frame. Okay. Daily time frame. All right. So on the daily time frame also, the same thing applies. Yeah, the same thing applies also on the daily time frame. Can you see it? Okay, so if you're going to be scalping, yeah, or you're going to be making day trades, it's also is applicable to you. All right, applicable to you. So you can open a long position right here, and you're going to be cool with that. Okay, have your stop loss, your exit level, this is your entry level, and you're going to enjoy the descent risk to reward ratio right there. Okay, so these are things you pay attention to, isn't it? So, but for some of you that are going to be like wanting to invest, into Matic for long-term investments, okay, you can see that we had an interesting support level here, okay, at 0.7. All right, at 0.7, had a very, very interesting support level right there. Then what should you do as someone that wants to invest into Matic for a long-term investment? Okay, what you should do, okay, is that you should be looking for good entry levels, around here. Okay, 0.75 is a good entry level. Okay, and you open your just buy your first batch. You probably want to buy in batches, open long for your first batch here. Okay, then this is also another interesting levels to buy, as you can see. Okay, let me use an extended line here, so it's going to make much sense. Yeah, exactly. So these are interesting levels to buy. Okay, this level exactly 0.93, 0.94 is a nice level to buy. So the next level for you to buy is 0.75. Okay, at this level, look at it. Okay, these are also an interesting level, to buy. Okay, they can possibly hold this for long term. Okay, for long term. And the funny thing about this is that it is not likely that you're going to make a huge profit on your long position on Matic. Okay, let me tell you the reason why. I'm going to go to CoinMarketCap now. As usual, I love to go to CoinMarketCap to check metrics that can actually invalidate the analysis. Okay, so but before we go into that, let's have a look at Polygon. I think it's among the top 50 coins, so there's no point. Okay, it's among the top 10. Okay, so I'm going to open this, ranking on number 9 in the world, and having a market cap that is close to the FDMC. That's incredible, right? So let's dig deeper into it and have a look at more data about Polygon Matic. So what do you see here? The all-time high of Polygon was 2.92, isn't it? Okay, and it is the only coin in the crypto market whose loss from all-time high is very, very low. Most of the coins, they lost 90% of their value, 99% of their value, 85%, 80%. But look at Polygon Matic right here. It has only managed to lose 65.1% of its value from the all-time high. That is incredible. Okay, that's incredible. And the price is relatively stable, even though there is some level of volatility in between, isn't it? So, excuse me. So this is a massive performance, okay, from the Polygon Matic, okay. So that makes it a very nice coin for your day trading, okay. Because if you're actually investing in Matic, okay, probably what you should be expecting from investments is possible 2x or 3x from the investment. All right, because they now have a huge load of competitors. All right, a huge load of competitors. So they have competitors like Arbitrum, they have Zinc, ZK something. They have Optimistic Rollup. Which other one again? Like several of them out there that are trying to like compete for the market share from Polygon Matic. Okay, and Matic seems to be at the top of its game. Like it is going to be difficult for Matic to actually expand more than this or to gain more value than this. It's going to be so hard for it, except probably they decide to burn some coins. Okay, probably they decide to burn some of their coins. That is on the condition that can actually make them, to have, to have a huge pump. Okay, that can actually push them to like $10 per Matic. But for now, as long as they're not willing to burn any coin, okay, then there's nothing. Like the chance of the probability of Matic actually eating $5 in the next bull market, that probability is like 0.1. Okay, 0.1. But really, that doesn't mean that you shouldn't have a moon bag. If you have a moon bag for your Matic, probably have some Matic, for possible, possible profit in future or something. Okay, so have it, even if you are trying to, if you're a portfolio manager, okay, having some Matic in your portfolio will not hurt, because that is also one of the ways to balance your portfolio because of the risk involved. So the risk is quite low, as you can see. The risk of holding Matic is quite low. So had some, and in portfolio management, probably I'll talk about this topic some other day. Okay, you have to balance the high, the medium, the low, and mix them together to form a robust portfolio for yourself or for your client or for a company you're working with. All right. So I wouldn't know if you have any question, with respect to today's analysis. Now let's check out things that could invalidate our analysis. All right. So I'm gonna go to I'm gonna go to the Telegram. Okay, not the Telegram yet. Okay, so let me open this in desktop. Let me see the announcement. If they have any announcements right there, let me check. So Twitter Spaces this Friday, now hosted by QuickSwap with many protocols from the ecosystem. Okay, I'm out with the ZK EVM team. Okay, I'm not seeing anything. Like there is no announcement right here that can actually validate our analysis. I'm not saying anything right here. Nothing yet. Uh, let me check. Okay, so there's nothing here that could invalidate our analysis. So, having said that, then let me check the Twitter page. Probably you can find some more details on the Twitter page. So they have 57,000 followers on Twitter. Okay, that's also not bad, but I was expected to have more than this amount of followers. But the main thing is the engagement. Let's check out the engagement. Okay, they made a retweet some hours ago. Okay, community armor, Polygon ZKVM, it just works. All right, that was 12 hours ago. Stacks will to piece submit, include rates on all the major roll-ups, including. Okay, wow, that's interesting to know. So all of the updates we have here, they are not things that will impact Matic that much. Okay, and also we can actually use an hashtag. Okay, you can search with hashtag to see what people know, to have an idea of what people are saying about Matic. Okay, let's use the hashtag and see if there's any food against it or something. Latest tweets. Let me see. All right. About the latest. Any food yet? Any food yet? Okay, let me check. So there is nothing here, though there is no fundamental actually, that could invalidate our analysis. Okay, so this is still on point. Okay, and I'm still standing by this analysis, and price prediction. So those are the possible entry levels for investors, for scalpers, day traders, and also that's possible entry levels for you guys. Okay, so if you are active on Telegram, okay, what you have to do now is to go on Telegram, okay, and search for, join this community. The question now is, why should you join this community? All right, so why should you join the community? This is where I share update about things I'm doing, coins I'm buying. Okay, like yesterday, I told the community I was going to buy this yesterday. Okay, so, and also, I told the community that this was going to dump massively, and it dumps. You can see right there on your screen. Okay, so I made that call, probably on April what? If you look at this on April 16th, okay, and I actually followed that price movement, that price prediction, isn't it? So you should definitely pay attention to these stocks that I share with you on a regular basis. So if you want to join this channel, all you have to do basically is to search for ads, crypto niche underscore. So use your Telegram, not hyphen, please, underscore Hangouts. If you have a Telegram mobile app right now, open it, okay? Open it, then search for it and join the channel right there. Okay, that's how you get update about coins I'm trading, coins I'm buying, when I want to sell and all that. And even much more information than this. Okay, so and look at my results. Okay, on OB. Okay, I don't know if this makes sense to you. All right, so you need to kind of let me say, okay, you need to kind of join this channel to actually maximize the opportunities I share. Okay, so if you're active also on YouTube, okay, I want you to go to YouTube right now, or open a YouTube app on your mobile phone. If you're using Android phone, by default you have a YouTube app on your mobile phone. All right, so then when you get to YouTube, you should search for crypto niche. Okay, that is if you are watching the search for crypto niche channel, then hit the enter button right there. Okay, hit the enter button right there, then click on the icon, this icon. You will see a channel with 1.7k subscribers. Then click on this. Okay, you have access to a wide videos, analysis, price prediction, reviews, project reviews, and the rest of them right here. Okay, so search for this, then hit the subscribe button and subscribe to the channel right there. Okay, don't feel shy, guys. Subscribe to the channel right there. It's going to help you in your journey a whole lot. Okay, so and also don't forget to hit the follow button on OB. There's a follow button at the top of the live stream. So guys, hit that follow button and follow me now. Okay, let me see how many new followers we've got. Let me check that. Wow, that's impressive. Now you have 3,047 followers. Okay, you can make it to 2060 before the end of this live stream. So hit that button, guys. If you have any question, okay, you can let me know. Ask a question. Feel free to ask a question. I'm giving extra 1 minute to see if you guys have any question in the live chat. Okay, and I'll be glad to respond to your question. Any questions so far? Okay, let me zoom this so that I can have access to a clearer view. Okay, let me zoom in on 4 hours. Okay, let me zoom on 4 hours. Okay, so you can have a better view of this. Yeah, I hope this makes sense to you. Yeah, something like this. Exactly. You can see the price is moving up already gradually. Okay, it may just take some time, but it's going to actually, it's going to actually make a decent move, probably in the next 4 hours, probably. Okay, so any questions so far, guys? Any question? Okay, don't forget to hit the follow button. Follow me on OB, be a part of my family, be a part of my tribe. Okay, it helps, to be a part of my tribe. Okay, there is so much benefit attached to that. All right, so much benefit attached to that. Okay, guys, come on, guys. If you have any question, ask me in the live chat. I will respond to that. So if you have any question, if you're watching this on YouTube, okay, please, this is a recorded live stream on OB. Okay, I'm a live streamer. I'm an ambassador of OB Global, OB Exchange. So you're watching this because I recorded this because of my love for you. I don't want you to miss out of this opportunity. So there's a link in the comment box. If you want to join the Telegram channel, use that link right there and make sure that you subscribe to the channel. That's how to stay informed as far as analysis is concerned and other important stuff in crypto and blockchain industry. So if you have any question about the analysis also, okay, you can leave in the comments on YouTube. Okay, leave in the comments down below. I'm always online. I'll be glad to respond to your question. Okay, so today I'm going to say goodbye. Okay, enjoy the rest of the day. Bye for now.